In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva effects for text. We'll keep things really simple and focus on the basic actions you need to take, while also talking through what's happening on screen so you understand why you're doing each step. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and you have a design open. This can be anything you're working on, a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or even a simple blank canvas. Once your design is open, look for the text you want to style. This might be a title, a heading, or a smaller body text element. Now, go ahead and click on that text. You'll know it's selected when you see a box appear around it with small handles on the corners and sides. This means Canva is ready for you to edit or style that text. If you accidentally click outside of the text, just click again directly on the words until you see that selection box show up. Once your text is selected, take a look at the toolbar that appears across the top of the screen. This is where Canva gives you different options for formatting your text, like font, size, color, and alignment. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Effects. It's usually located above the design area, near the font and color controls. Go ahead and click on Effects. When you do this, a panel will open on the side of your screen. This panel is where all the magic happens for text styling. You'll see a range of different effect styles you can apply, such as shadows, outlines, glows, and more, depending on what Canva is currently offering. From here, you can hover over each effect to see how it changes your text, and then click to apply the one you like best. After choosing an effect, use the sliders and options in that same panel to adjust details like transparency, blur, direction, or color, so the style fits your design perfectly. If you change your mind, you can always click on a different effect, or choose the None or Default option in the Effects panel to remove styling and go back to regular text. And that's it. By simply clicking on your text and then clicking on the Effects button, you unlock a whole set of creative tools to make your words stand out